Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to create product category page in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the product section, which is on the left side bar. Now after that, click on the categories button. After clicking the categories button, after hovering on the post button, you have to click the categories button. And now we will create a new category for your products. So the page will look like this. Now you have to add the name to the category and the slug to the category. Slug is the URL friendly version of the name. Now you have to select if you want to put any hierarchy to the category. So select a parent category if there is, enter the description. If there are images, add them. And after that, scroll down and click add new category button to save the category. Once you have created your category, you can add products to it by editing each product and selecting the appropriate category from the product categories drop down menu. When you want to view or edit your category, you can go to the products and then categories in the dashboard. So that's how you can create product category page in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.